Hey, we're couch slashing and we're slashing on a couch. Hey! Welcome to Catlateral Damage.
Oh my god, look at this cat.
And welcome to Couch Slashing. I was just really excited. Why are they throwing stuff at this poor cat?
Oh, he looks like Horatio.
Oh, and he's got like one ear bigger than the other.
He's a little scamp. You know he's a scamper.
He's a scamper.
I'm just gonna
turn
it down.
So Maddie's playing this game.
Yeah.
And this is an indie game by Chris Chung.
A Firehose Games Accelerator collaboration.
Yeah, so
I knew this about this game. I've seen a video because the McElboys played it, and I saw a little bit of their gameplay. At first I thought you were gonna play this, but it didn't work at first. But so I'm gonna play it now.
And Maddie was like, "I want to play some games now."
You were so starstruck about with our other games.
Yeah.
I couldn't tear you away from it.
Thank you. All right, so Catlateral Damage.
Yeah, let's
get into
this
it.
Cat.
Let's learn how to play Catlateral Damage.
Yeah, look at this little scamper.
Look at him.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, you're a cat. Knock objects onto the floor.
Okay.
Oh my god, look, it's a picture of a cat. Look, it does look like Horatio.
Oh, we had a cat that was named Horatio. Look at the little.
Oh my.
Little nosy. That's my nose. SWAT.
Oh my. Oh.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
And jump.
Oh, sweet.
All right.
All right.
Now, the real question is, how do I move?
It's right there.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm just arranging my hands onto the thing.
Oh, get that toy.
Where is it? Fuck off.
You got a point.
Yay! Okay.
Oh man, is this why our cats destroy our shit?
Probably, that's pretty entertaining.
You watch it too. You watch it hit the floor.
You know the cats are doing that.
They're like, let's see what will happen if I hit this over.
For those not in the know, we have two cats.
Yes.
Well, rather, you have two cats.
I have two bastards.
Fuck this plant. Fuck.
Why does it have like ninja stars in it?
Smashed.
Oh man, you really fucked that plant up.
But we have two. Katie has two cats, and I live with two cats. And they're both monsters, and I love them very much.
I love them so dearly.
They're stupid. They're so stupid.
I specifically asked for dumb fucking cats.
You got some dumb motherfuckers.
I did, and I got it. And sometimes I'm like, oh, this is the best, and most times I'm like, oh. But the moments that it's the best, yay! Get through the goalpost! Get through the goalpost!
Jump in the box to continue.
Oh my god.
Box time! Oh, I totally get it now. And he's all tuckered out from being a little bastard all day.
That's so cute. Anyway, yeah, but I was originally gonna get a Himalayan cat because we asked our friend Loki, what are the dumbest ass cats in the world? Oh, was it a Persian? I thought it was a Himalayan.
I can't take being locked up like this. Those humans will pay. Persians are really stupid, but you don't want to get a purebred. You want to rescue them because they're dumb and their face is all smushed.
Yeah, because like, what is it?
Because people breed them.
The breeding is like, they're like pugs. They got breathing issues and their brains
poor little smush faces.
Are all stupid. But yeah, so I was gonna get one of them. And
maybe Himalayans are stupid. I don't remember.
I don't remember. It's a Persian or a Himalayan. Maybe it's a Persian.
I remember it was a Persian because he has a Persian.
Okay, then it's a Persian.
And that motherfucker is stupid and the most precious being. I can just whack it with my face.
Anyway, try to get through the story before I get distracted by all this adorable kittiness.
Okay, hurry it up.
It was I messaged the lady and I was like, hey, I'm looking for a bonded pair, possibly like if they're loud meowers, like stupid, like just weird and like to play and whatever else.
I got an upgrade.
Oh, a SWAT increase.
It's because I scratched the pole.
If you have any cats like that, like just dumb,
Give me the dumbest motherfuckers
weird.
you have.
Yeah. And then she wrote back and she was like, I have the perfect cats for you. And I'm like, oh God. And they became mine, and they are the
best.
loudest meowers, stupidest cats, and really weird. So I got exactly what I asked for. So
And I love them.
they're so like they bring a light into the house.
I mean, to be fair, I could. Ugh, thirsty, so thirsty. I could do without the fur in all of my food.
Oh, and like all over the clothes.
And I wear a lot of black clothing. But you know, I still love them.
And the barf and the stinky
But
poops.
you know what? I feel like I'm understanding them a little bit better.
Yeah. Maddie wakes up in the morning and is like, cat's yelling.
Yeah, they do wake me up all the time.
But they don't wake me up because I sleep through the goddamn apocalypse.
I'm kind of a light sleeper. So they're like, we know which bitch will come and feed us.
And they're like really rough with Maddie too.
Sage, our fluffy idiot, resident fluffy one,
Yes.
bites my face. Straight up chews
or
on
like
a-
tries to rip your earrings out of your ears.
chews on my nose. Let's go to a new room and destroy some plants.
Yeah. Oh, there's a piece of paper there too.
I'm getting there. Trust me. This is an art form, Katie.
Oh, okay.
It's a method to my madness. I don't know how I'm gonna get 370,
Yeah, wow.
but
This is the whole game.
I guess we're gonna do it.
Do you have like
Oh, Franz Joseph. Do I have what?
Oh, hi baby.
Hello.
Oh, speaking of bastard cats,
Smash.
he's watching you like destroy things and he's
Smash.
like, I want in. Do you want to sit up here, baby?
He's gonna
No.
sit right on
Oh.
the keyboard, and
Kept
you
the
know
air
it.
conditioner on. God damn it. No, baby.
Jasper, look at him.
Oh, he wants the door open. Here, 1 second. I'm gonna.
Do you?
He's just gonna like keep meowing. 1 second. Okay, baby. Go ahead. Yeah, go in. All right.
I didn't realize I could pause. Get it? But also, I really
hate
meant
myself.
pause. These are. The
Yeah,
flat objects are more annoying to push over. They're like,
Yeah, get those plates.
smash those plates. Chopsticks too. Get that knife. Fuck off.
My cat just yelled at me because he doesn't like when the bedroom door is closed.
It's like, but I want it open. I
Yeah.
want everything open always. Cause I'm a demanding little butt. Okay,
So that was Sage.
I want to get the.
If you heard him,
butts.
I don't know.
I want it.
Oh man, you have like 4 minutes to finish it.
I know.
How?
I don't know. I just gotta
Oh,
upgrade
man.
myself. I guess I gotta get better.
You gotta go. You gotta like.
Gotta become a
you gotta
pro
go
gamer.
fast.
Gotta swipe.
Just
Swipe at the speed of light.
Swiping around at the. Somebody's gonna think I'm a fucking Sonic fan, which I'm not.
Yeah. Also, copyright. Get off.
Event. High value object has changed.
What's the high value object?
I don't know.
Is it the pot?
Maybe. Oh yeah.
Give me a pot. Where's the pot?
Oh.
Where's the pot?
Oh, you're supposed to
Where's the
like.
pot at? Where's the pot at?
I think you already destroyed a pot, didn't you?
Is there another door? There's another door!
Yeah, go in there. Somebody comes home and they're like, the fuck happened to my...
That's what they get for having so many miscellaneous objects everywhere.
Yeah.
And low shelves.
Why do you have so many books, like, scattered across the house? Why don't you have a bookcase?
Nerds.
Oh, there's a scratcher. Oh, can you, like, scratch and, like...
That's how I upgraded my scratch.
New
Yeah,
upgrade!
new
Oh,
upgrade.
shit!
Get it. Ugh. Give me that upgrade. Give me
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Speed increase.
Oh.
Scratch, 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 scratch. We have one of these too for the cats.
Not that one
Well,
specifically.
one of the ball ones, you know.
Yeah, it's like a three-tiered ball thing, and Tibby sometimes plays with it. Oh, knock it off, knock it off. Yeah.
You're dead. You're dead. You're dead.
Oh, 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 33 seconds.
Get on the ground already.
Oh
I don't
man,
even care about winning. I just want to get this.
you're flubbing it.
Can you not?
Sorry. Can you not?
Just trying to have a fun time.
Yeah.
Yeah! Okay, we're moving on.
Okay. Oh, look, peroxide. Oh, fuck your makeup.
Oh yeah, fuck this, you stink.
This and that. Topple 50 unique objects.
I'm trying, bud.
No, you got that.
Oh, excellent.
Oh, can you?
Oh yes, yes. Oh fuck,
You're too small.
I'm so small. I keep falling. I keep falling.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Excellent.
New upgrade.
Excellent. Excellent. Give me that. I don't know what that is.
SWAT increased.
What is that?
I would love for this to just be like, at a certain point where your SWAT increases, you just like knock over tables like a Hulk cat.
Oh my god. Yes.
Oh, look at that. Oh, Stitch. Are these like
Let me get Stitch.
the like cat production babies?
Let me get my space.
New
Got him.
photo unlocked. Stitch. New photo unlocked. MySpace.
Because I knocked him over.
Oh, nice.
Get out of here. Get.
Oh shit, you have 1 minute left. 1 minute, designers.
Should we
Make
hug
it
or
work.
make it fashion? Or keep it fashion?
That's a
I
good
miss
bike right
that.
there.
One of my favorite things to do when I lived with my dad and stepmom was on the weekends with her. I would watch Project One Way, and we would like how you would do if you were like watching a cooking show and you're like in your pajamas eating like microwaved mac and cheese. And you're like, ugh, they can't even temper the chocolate. Those fucking amateurs. We're like, wow, that design is just rushed. So bad. I like the other one better.
Oh no!
Zoom!
Oh, like the music is speeding up.
Zoom! Oh, time's up.
Oh man. Well, look at all those new things that you knocked over.
Objects toppled.
They're not new anymore. They're going in the garbage.
Straight in the garbage.
Oh look, it's a Nintendo.
I think the only things I actually feel bad about toppling are the plants. Everything else could go get fucked.
maybe the pots too.
Oh god, that was fun.
You wanna do another one of these?
Actually,
see if you can get through this stage.
Ugh, I am getting a little dizzy, honestly.
Oh man, the cat.
The movement kind of makes me a little nauseous.
Okay. Yeah. Well.
So maybe we'll come back to this when I've recovered.
Yeah, coming soon to Couch Clutch and maybe more of this.
Something else.
Maybe not.